Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, and in this video I will show you how to fix the connection problem for these headphones. So I will show you 6 different problems with solutions. So let's start. The first problem is about unsuccessful connection. So here you can see here on my phone, I open the Bluetooth settings and it is showing Bose QC Ultra headphones in my available devices. Now for example, if I try to connect it, after few seconds, it will give me a message of unsuccessful connection. So I will show you that message. We just have to wait for a few seconds and then I will show you how to fix it. Okay, so we will just wait. So here you can see now it is showing connection unsuccessful. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to press this OK from here and then you have to select this eye icon. So once you select this eye icon, here you see this option of forget this device. So I will select this forget this device option and then from here I will select this forget device again. Now I will turn off the Bluetooth, okay, and then I will turn it on. Okay, now what you have to do on your headphones, you have to connect it with type C charging cable. So here on this side, I will connect it with type C charging cable. So here is the type C charger. So I will just connect it like this. Then in the next step, you have to press this Bluetooth button. Okay, and then after pressing this Bluetooth button, you have to connect the other side to the wall charger. So I will press the Bluetooth button and then here I will connect it to the wall charger. So once you connect it to the charger, after a few seconds, keep pressing this Bluetooth button. Here on your device, it is showing Bose QC Ultra headphones. Now you can release the button. Okay, and then you can select this Bose QC Ultra headphones and after a few seconds they will get connected. So basically it's a simple reset process. So here you can see now Bose QC Ultra headphones are connected and ready to use. The next thing that I want to mention here is after getting connected, if you remove this charger from your headphones, they will again get disconnected from your device. So here you can see it is showing here it's not connected. So what you can do is you just have to wear these headphones and then press this Bluetooth button. So here is the Bluetooth button and then try to connect. So now I will wear it. Okay, so I will wear them in my ears. Okay, and then I will press this Bluetooth button. So now I will press this Bluetooth button and now I will just select it. So here you can see now they are get connected. The next problem is about Bluetooth not showing these headphones in available devices. So for example, if I turn on my Bluetooth settings on my phone, so I will just press and hold it and then I will go to Bluetooth settings. Now here you can see I turn on the Bluetooth, but it is not showing Bose QC Ultra headphones in my available devices. So what you have to do in this case, you have to just press and hold this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. Okay, so I will just press and hold it and then it will show you here in your available devices. So I will just press it like this for 5 seconds and then after 5 seconds you will see it is showing Bose QC Ultra headphones. Now you can release the button and then you try to connect it. So you just have to wait for a few seconds and here you can see now Bose QC Ultra headphones are connected and ready to use. The next problem is about unsuccessful connection with forget device option. So for example, here I open my phone Bluetooth settings and it is showing Bose QC Ultra headphones and it is saying not connected. Now for example, if I try to connect them, after a few seconds, it will show you this message, connection unsuccessful, and here it is giving you the option of forget device. So in this case you have to select this forget device option and then what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth. Okay, and then turn it on again. So after you turn it on, now it will show you Bose QC Ultra headphones in your available devices list. Now simply what you have to do, you just have to select this Bose QC Ultra headphones and then after few seconds your headphones will get connected with your phone and ready to use. The next method is about hard reset. So if you try different options and none of the method is working, so you can use the hard reset option. So first of all, on your device, you have to go inside the Bluetooth settings, and here you see Bose QC Ultra Headphones. Just select this eye icon and select this forget this device option. And then from here again, select this forget device. Now close this Bluetooth settings like this, and then open the Bose Music app. So once you open the Bose Music app, here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra Headphones not available. Select this account icon. So I will select it, and then here you see the second option is about manage products. So select this option, and then here you see this option of edit. So select this option and then select Bose QC Ultra Headphones. And then here on top left corner, you see this option of delete. So select this delete option, and then here you have to select this remove option. So now your headphones are also removed from your Bose Music app. Now you have to close this app, and now on your headphones, you see this Bluetooth button and this multifunction button. So you have to press these two buttons together for 15 seconds. Okay, and after 15 seconds, you will see a white light blink on this side. So first of all, I will just press these two buttons together, and then I will keep pressing them for 15 seconds. And then after 15 seconds, you will see a white light will blink on this side. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, so here you will see this white light will blink. So here you can see the light blinks now. And now you can release these buttons, and then on your device you have to turn on the Bluetooth settings again, and then we will try to reconnect them. So I will go to Bluetooth settings, and then what you have to do here, you see now it is showing Bose QC Ultra Headphones. If you just select it, now this time they will get connected. So here you can see now they are connected and ready to use. The next problem is about Bose Music app. So here, for example, I open Bose Music app, and here it is showing Bose QC Ultra Headphones, and it is also giving me the connect option. If I try to connect it, here it will give me this message that we are having trouble connecting to your product. Please give it another try. If I select this try again option, again it will give me the same message. So how to fix this issue? First of all, close this app. So I will close this app, then I will open the phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will go to this Bluetooth settings, and then on the Bluetooth settings, here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra Headphones. If I select it, after a few seconds, it will give me a message of connection unsuccessful. But here it is also giving me the option of forget device. So I will select this forget device option, then I will turn off the Bluetooth, and then I will turn it on again. Now after turning it on, you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button. So I will press and hold it like this, and then it will show you Bose QC Ultra Headphones, and then you have to select it. Okay, and then they will get connected. So once it get connected, you can just release this button. The next thing is, if you are unable to find or connect these headphones, you can just wear them and press this Bluetooth button. So first of all, I will open the Bluetooth settings. So I will go to the phone's Bluetooth settings, and then here you can see the Bluetooth is turned on, but it is not showing these headphones in available devices. So what you can do is you can just wear them, and then you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. So I will wear them, and then I will press and hold the Bluetooth button. And once you press and hold the Bluetooth button, it will show you your Bose QC Ultra headphones. So now I will try to connect them, and then you have to keep pressing the Bluetooth button. So now you can see they are get connected. Once they get connected, then you can release the Bluetooth button. So now you can use them. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.